Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about how we use Excel for descriptive analysis. We're going to start with calculating mean, median, and mode. For mean, as you can see here, the formula, always try to have like kind of the title for each one as well, because later you might forget what calculation belong to what. So here for mean, I type down mean, and then in here I can say I can start with writing the formula, which is average. As you start writing it down, it's going to show up, and double click on it, and then here you have to pick your range. You can start from kind of like maybe by clicking on one and dragging down the whole column, close it, enter. There you have it. For median, again the same. You see the formula, click on median. Again, you can select the whole thing, or you can pick the first one, hold shift, select the last one, and then close it, enter. You have it. For mode, if you know that you have a single only one mode, use this formula. But if you think you might have multiple, you can use this one. Because we don't know here, we're gonna use the multi. It showed up, double click, and then again the range of our data. So as you can see, we had actually a couple modes that it brought all of them. Now I'm gonna just shift this here. What if we wanted to have mean for different categories? For example, like categorize based on these regions. If you go here, this is a formula for it. I'm gonna do for one. So again, we start with that, and then we type in like average, but here you pick average if, and then again first pick the region. So here I pick my first column that I want to categorize. I want my data to be categorized by, and then after that you're gonna type north or south, whatever you want first, and then you pick this second column, your values. There you have it. But there's an easier way to do that, and that I put here on the instructions for you. You go to insert, you go tables, pivot table. Here first pick the range of your data. So I'm on this one, I hold shift, like all the way to the end. Okay, and then you add region to the row, temperature to values. Here, click on here, value field setting. Here you can pick. Like now I pick average. You have also other stuff to pick from as well, but now we need average. And there you have it. For each region, it categorized, it calculated the mean for all, and also the total for the total data, which is matching with this one. Perfect. How do we calculate mean? For calculate mean, you have the formula here. So again, as you start typing it, it's gonna show up. Double click, range of your data. Again, if I want it from here to here, hold shift, and then you have it. Max the same way, start typing it, double click, pick the range of your data or type it down. For range, you can simply say like max here minus mean. Pick that one. You don't have to pick your whole data, and then enter. You have your range. For standard deviation, the formula is easy. Like again, it's gonna bring it. If you pick this one, dot p, it's gonna calculate standard deviation for a population. If you pick this one, it's gonna calculate a standard deviation for a sample. Almost always our data is a sample, so pick this one. And then again, the range of the data with all of it, and enter. That's your standard deviation. What if you wanted a standard deviation by group? You can use this formula, or you can again use our pivot table easily. Click somewhere that you want to have your table, pivot, select the range. Again, I want it from here to here. Okay, regions to the row, temperatures to value. Go here, value field setting, and then now I'm gonna pick a standard deviation, and there we have it. And that's all for today.